وقال علي عليه السلام: أزر بنفسه من استشعر الطمع، ورضي بالذل من كشف عن ضره، وهانت عليه نفسه من أمر عليها لسانه.
He who is greedy is disgraced, he who discloses his hardship will always be humiliated, he who has no control over his tongue will often have to face discomfort. This is the second wise saying of Imam Ali, in which he points to 3 bad traits and their effects, highlighting tangible realities. He who is greedy is disgraced. The first trait is that whoever embraces greed has humiliated himself. Imam Ali's saying here refers to a reality that humans observe well while living in society. Greed makes a person ready to do any lowly act. A greedy person does things that make everyone who sees them wonder. There is a story about a famous greedy person from Arabia. When this greedy person, named Ashab, would walk on the road, he would hold his cloak open with his hands, saying, "I've heard there are some birds that lay eggs while flying, so I'm holding my cloak open hoping an egg will fall into it." Imam Ali points out the outcome of this bad trait here. The good trait opposite this bad one is contentment, i.e., being satisfied with what one has. A hadith says, "Blessed is the one who adopts contentment." The second trait Imam Ali points to is that whoever discloses their hardships has consented to their own humiliation and disgrace. Everything has a sanctuary. As long as it remains within that sanctuary, its honor is preserved. When a patient describes their illness to a doctor, or a plaintiff goes to a judge to explain the injustice done to them, the doctor is the keeper of the patient's secrets, and the judge is the confidant of the plaintiff. The patient and plaintiff express their problems in the hope that the doctor and judge have the ability to solve them. It is the professional duty of doctors, judges, etc., to keep the secrets of those who consult them confidential. A person should only express their problems to individuals who have the ability to solve them and can keep them confidential. If problems are shared with incompetent people, it will only lead to humiliation and disgrace. Sharing problems with those who cannot solve them will have one of 2 outcomes, depending on whether the person is a friend or an enemy. A friend will be distressed hearing the problems, while an enemy will rejoice and may also learn of the person's weaknesses, which they can exploit. The third bad trait is that a person does not keep their tongue under control. Imam Ali says that whoever makes their tongue their master has humiliated themselves. The tongue being in control means a person speaks without thinking, saying whatever comes to mind. It is said that a word spoken is like an arrow shot from a bow, it cannot be taken back. That's why civilized society teaches us to think before speaking. The tongue is an organ of the human body that is like a double-edged sword. Through the tongue, a person gains respect, and through the tongue, a person is humiliated. Luqman Hakim was tested by his master, who gave him a goat and told him to bring the best parts of it. Luqman slaughtered the goat and brought the tongue and heart to his master. The next day, the master gave him another goat and told him to bring the worst parts. Luqman again brought the heart and tongue. The master asked, "What's the meaning of this? Yesterday I asked for the best parts, and today I asked for the worst parts, yet you brought the same things both days." Luqman replied, "If the heart and tongue are pure, there is nothing better than them. If they are impure, there is nothing worse." Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, A.S., said that Abu Dar used to say in his sermons, "O seekers of knowledge, the tongue is the key to both good and evil. Just as you lock away gold and silver, lock away your tongue." Thus, Imam Ali mentioned 3 bad habits of humans in this saying, all leading to the same result, humiliation and disgrace.